Hello guys. Well, today I decided to focus on fractions. We're going to start off on how to add fractions. Well, first of all, you have to find the common denominator. And you add the numerator. Okay, we're going to start off with this example. Let's start off with 7 over 10 plus 1 over 10. Well, for this problem, we don't have to worry about much because we have the same common denominator. So all we have to do is just add the numerator. So 7 plus 1 is 8, and, well, it's 10. So 8 over 10 can be simplified. So we have to simplify it and divide it by the common denominator, by what is visible for both of them. So for this one, it's only visible by 2. 8 over 2, 2. So that would be 4 over 5. So that's your answer right there. Okay, so now we have a problem where it has two different common denominators. Well, what we have to do is find the least common multiple between 7, 3, and 7. So you have to find the smallest number that can be multiplied by 3 and 7 so we can find a common denominator. So for one of the easiest ways to do this is on this side multiply it by 7. The numerator by 7 times and the denominator times 7. On this side you're going to multiply the numerator by 3 and the denominator by 3. So 1 times 7 is 7 over 21 plus 2 times 3 is 6. 7 times 3 is 21. So now we have the same common denominator. Now we can add. So 7 plus 6 is 13 over 21. Okay, so now we're going to do subtracting fractions. It's the same concept as adding fractions, but instead in this, you're just subtracting. For subtracting fractions, you have to have the common denominator as well. And you subtract the numerator. So for this one, we have 3 and 7. It's the same problem. Okay, so like in the last problem, we have to find the smallest number that can be multiplied by 3 and 7 to find a common denominator. So we're going to do on this side, we're going to multiply by 7, multiply by 7. On this side, we're going to multiply by 3, multiply by 3. So 7 times 1 is 7. 3 times 7 is 21. Subtract 2 times 3 is 6. And 7 times 3 is 21. So when you subtract that, it's 7 minus 6 is 1 over 21. Okay, now we're gonna multiply fractions. Multiplying fractions is like the easiest thing because you don't need a common denominator. So all you have to do is actually multiply across. So multiply the numerator and then also multiply the denominators. So like, for example, for this one is 2. Okay, so it's 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 5 is 15. And that's your answer. So now the last thing we're going to do is dividing fractions. Actually, the problem seems kind of difficult, but actually it's not. If you know how to multiply fractions, you can for sure know how to divide fractions. All you have to do is multiply by the reciprocal, meaning the second fraction, it has to be flipped. So this is how it looked like. 1 over 6 times 5 over 1. And then since we learned earlier, all you have to do for multiply, all you have to do is multiply straight across. So you would get 5 over 6. So that concludes our video for this week, and hopefully it helped out a lot. please keep updated with my videos because I'll be posting another one next week. Thank you for watching. Bye.